Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're doing well and having a great week. I'm delivering our PD for this month remotely in order to fit everyone's schedule. You'll be using the website Teaching Tolerance, Culture in the Classroom to walk through a series of different scenarios and questions. From there, you will email me a brief summary of your reflections. This professional development module will address Standard 2 for the North Carolina Professional Teaching Standards. Teachers establish a respectful environment for a diverse population of students. Based upon our topic for this month, we realize that there are all kinds of gaps, whether it be achievement, funding, college readiness, but also a cultural gap. How do we begin to close this gap? As the article suggests, and to no fault of our own, we do not always reflect the demographics of our students. How do we overcome stereotypes? And how do we effectively lesson plan for cultural relevance and even competence? This web-based article helps us as educators understand the cultural divide by giving 3 different scenarios, each with a short video on the following: overcoming stereotypes, culturally relevant curriculum, and honoring home languages. Each section has different resource options as you seek to understand the needs of your students in a greater capacity. In addition, this PD is differentiated based upon the unique needs of your classroom, whether it be your content, grade level, or demographics. Breaking down barriers and truly understanding our students does not necessarily mean we need more experiences. It means we need to build real relationships. Have conversations with your students. Engage with their parents regularly and not just a phone call home because of missing assignments. Relationships make the difference, and that applies to cultural awareness as well. Once you have reviewed the article and the resources, please create a brief reflection summary and email to me by December 1st. This will count as your participation for the month of November. And lastly, take the time to apply these resources and revelations into your lesson plans and teaching over the next couple of weeks. Remember, our goal is not to overwhelm you with more work, but to equip you with at least one tool you can immediately implement in your classrooms. Take care, everyone, and I wish you many blessings during this time of Thanksgiving.